Get her picture.
Oh my mother, God, no he did. It's Cody K. Kellis. No need to talk cause your boyfriend jealous. She say that I'm selfish. Ain't no need to.
Oh, hell no, man.
Coronavirus!
Bless you. We're making cookies before we leave. Preheat that thing to 350, I think. No.
Gah.
How are you looking at me?
You're making it all of them. And some only 2 left in here. Well, I might as well make them. Rah, like a dungeon dragon.
Rah, like a dungeon dragon. I'm starting to feel like a dungeon dragon.
I don't got no mittens to take this out. Can I do it with mine? Wait, I believe in, I was gonna say I believe in Austin.
Oh my gosh. And I'm talking so loud?
What is this? I think it's the contraband. About that.
What do you mean? That's like the proper terminology.
Proper terminology.
You look like a proper terminology.
Yeah, you do that. What?
Huh?
That's why it's a
Did you see my what holiday is it? Thanksgiving outfit? T-shirt, and you would never know, cause that's how I packed it.
That's okay.
All right, let's roll.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, now we gotta go.
Interesting artifact.
Guess what? Coronavirus!
Oh yeah, put it on that plate.
And just let it cool.
But
I was gonna tear them up in the plate.
I want one of those.
Try these. These are good too.
Yeah, these are good.
Okay, I'll try one.
No.
Cause it's
Not really. I like the chocolate.
not really. She tried to gaslight her. She said,
Bus drivers just sigh like this. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Yeah, you're okay because your ass is seated. Everybody hit their, like they flew, hit their neck, hit their back, poof.
Dang.
On the roof, because when it hit, everybody flew. And then once they hit this, they slammed, and then the bus went this way, so they slammed, everybody slammed on top of each other that way. But I know there's broken backs, broken necks.
water?
No, you gotta get water over there.
I know, the free water.
Yeah.
We're on a train. When did he get up here? see what I can do.
I need a new beauty blender. It's disintegrated on my face.
It's crazy. I'm free.
Period.
Scrum dilly yum yum a burr. Day 2 at Knott's Berry Farm.
Over there.
Not the no smile is crazy. We made it to Knott's. I'm not riding that one.
Huh?
Tequila.
Okay guys, we just got off Ghost Rider.
Oh my god.
But I was about to pass out. Kid you not, I was about to pass out. I'll insert a picture if I can, if y'all can even see me, because in the photo you can't really see me because I was grabbing onto her so tight and my face was like buried in the freaking thing. But it's 10:35 and we're leaving the park because it closed at 10. But we waited a whole almost 2.5 hours in the ride, so I'd say it was worth it. But my stomach dropped so much every time that we dropped. I couldn't look at it. I literally held on to her every time. I can't look at drops. I can't look at nothing. But I feel it in my stomach. I feel like I'm gonna rise up. Oh my gosh.
Rise up.
But the whole way up I was like, I'm about to pass out. I'm about to pass out. I'm about to pass out.
Oh
What do you rate it, Jasmine?
It was worth it.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Worth the 2 hours?
It was fun.
It was fun. It was pretty long for a roller coaster.
The turns had me turning.
Turns had me turning.
Niggas, I got the Krabby Patty formula, man. Come with me.